So I've created a WhatsApp AI chatbot for my business, that too without knowing any programming or coding language. So come, I'll show you the proper working of this. So let's say I'm going to type hey on WhatsApp and I'm going to send this hey. And once I'm going to send this hey and the query, which is I want to buy a woman's dress under rupees 1500. So this AI chatbot is going to solve this user query, and you're going to see it is sharing me the details of the dresses which is under 1500. So yes, you're going to see it is sharing me all the details. Now let's ask another question. So I'm going to type my another question and I am going to send this question. So as you can see, I sent, do you have men's kurta set in size L? So once I'm going to send this question, yes, it is sharing me the details for the same too. Let's ask another question. I'm going to type another question and I am going to send this question. Can I exchange a t-shirt for different size? So this is the most common question people ask on an e-commerce store, and you're going to see the AI chatbot has replied to this question too. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of AI chatbot which we're going to create in today's video. So grab your laptops and follow me through the screen and see how you can also create this AI chatbot for your own business. So now we have seen how this chatbot is going to run, but now let's see how we can create this for our own business. So to do this, I'm going to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. And as you can see that right now our Diwali sale is going on. So if you wish to purchase Pabbly Chatflow for a one-time price, today is a great day. You can get a very good price. You can go to this view offer and view the offer. Otherwise, we have two options on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. But I am an existing user, so I'm going to click on this button which says sign in, and now it is opening all Pabbly apps. So we have to go to this Pabbly Chatflow and click on this access now. Now it is going to open the dashboard of my Pabbly Chatflow account. So after opening this dashboard, you have to make sure you add the WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. So to add the WhatsApp number, go on this add WhatsApp number button. You're going to see two methods, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So you can use any one of this method. A video tutorial dedicated towards both of these methods have been attached in the description box below. You can check it out and then add your WhatsApp number according to same. As you can see that I have already added my WhatsApp number. So let's move on further and create this WhatsApp AI chatbot. For that, I'm going to go to this left hand of the side of Pabbly Chatflow. So on the left hand of the side, you're going to see all the features offered by Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn about any one of this in detail, go in the description box below. A video tutorial is attached for each of this. Now this video is going to focus on how to create an AI chatbot. So let's go towards this AI assistant feature of Pabbly Chatflow and click on this add AI assistant. Name your AI assistant and once again click on add AI assistant. And a window something like this will appear in front of you. Now what you have to do is you have to give the instructions. Alright, so what you can do is you can go to this custom prompt and you can customize the prompt according to your own choice. But we also have some pre-built examples like AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent and much more. So you can select one prompt from this also. So I'm going to select it as AI agent and automatically the instructions will be added. If I wish, I can definitely add or delete some, but the instructions are added, and now if I wish, I can move on further by keeping it as same also. So I'm going to keep it as same and move on further. The next is this temperature. So you can set the temperature, and this means how creative the AI answers are going to be. So if you move the temperature towards 0, the AI is going to answer more focused. But if you move the temperature towards 1, the AI is going to answer more creatively. So it totally depends upon you how you want the AI to answer. So I want more focused answers, so I'm going to keep it as 0.3. Now for the AI to use, I'm going to use OpenAI. For the model, I'm going to use GPT-4o Mini. You can select any another of your choice. Now the next is this API key, which is very important. So let's see how we can get this API key. For that, we have to open our OpenAI API keys page, and once we open this page, we have to log in inside this. Alright, so click on this login and log in your OpenAI account, then go towards this create new secret key, then you have to name the key, select the project and click on this create secret key button, and here your key is ready. So let's copy this key and paste it in this API key section and click on this connect. Now once we click on this connect, it is saying OpenAI key saved successfully. So we have successfully saved this key. Now let's move on further. This is AI assistant settings. So we have multiple settings: header message, footer message. So what you can do is you can switch on this and you can type the header message over here and the footer message over here. The maximum characters are up to 60. The next which we have in this settings is this stop keywords. So enter the keywords that the user can type to stop the AI assistant. So let's say you type a keyword human. So how you can add this keyword? Type the keyword and then press enter to add the keyword. So let's say these are the two stop keywords which I want to use, and whenever now my user is going to send this keyword, like let's say my user is chatting with the AI assistant and they type human, automatically the AI assistant is going to stop right there. A manual review will be needed to take that user's chat back again towards the AI assistant. So this is a very useful feature, and what you can do is you can switch on this footer message and you can add a footer message in all the messages, like to stop the AI assistant type human or type stop or something like this. It totally depends upon you. The next is this retry attempts. So over here you can specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant key fails to respond. So the valid range is between 1 to 10. I'm going to keep it as 2. The next is this fallback message. So over here you can enter the message to display when the AI assistant API key is not responding correctly. So what you can do is you can add your email address in this fallback message, so that if the user has some emergency, they can contact you on email if the WhatsApp API key is not responding. So now let's move on further. With this we have completed this instructions. Now let's go towards this knowledge source. So yes, what is this knowledge source? So as I showed you in the starting of this video that the AI was solving all the user queries so accurately, but you must be wondering how. So I have uploaded this knowledge base using which the AI is going to answer to my users, and it is going to be very specific and accurate because I've used this knowledge base. So yes, how you can use it for your own business. So first of all, you have to open a blank Google document, enter the knowledge unique to your business in that document, go on this file, download, and download this in TXT or PDF format. It totally depends upon you how you want to download it, in TXT or PDF. Both of these formats are supported while uploading the knowledge base, but I'll suggest you go for TXT format because that is preferred, because for PDFs we don't have any limit for text PDFs, but if you go for PDF which has images, the limit is up to 10 pages. So it depends upon you. I'll suggest you go for TXT format. Directly download it from TXT like plain text from here and upload it over here. It is very easy. Now I'll show you how we can upload this. You have to go towards this choose a file and you have to go towards this download and upload your knowledge base, and this AI is going to answer according to your knowledge base only now. Such a useful feature, right? Now let's move on further towards this assistant interface. So it is saying enter the display heading name. So we have to enter the brand's name over here. Alright, so this is the name of my e-commerce store, so I'm going to enter the same, which is Urban Cart. So you can see it will be edited over here too, and same goes for the subheading. You can edit, change or delete or add something. The next is this initial message. So you can type up to 2 initial messages. You have to type the message and then press enter to add the message over here, and it will be displayed. The next is this display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you wish to enable it, you can enable it, otherwise you can disable it and it will disappear right from here. It totally depends upon you and your choices. The next is this footer text and footer link. So you can use this to add the disclaimer or the link to your privacy policy, and for the footer link, footer text will turn into the link if you add the link, and if you don't add the footer link, it will remain as text only. So it depends upon you if you wish to add this or not. The next is this user first message. So this message will be sent to WhatsApp as the initial message from the user, so I'm going to keep it as hey. You can customize it according to your own choice. Now let's move on further towards this styling. So you can style your AI chatbot. You can change the theme, you can change the shape. So what you can do is you can upload this AI chatbot on your website, and according to that only you can decide the colors, themes, backgrounds and all. It totally depends upon you how you wish this AI chatbot to look like. So I'm going to keep it as this. Now with this we have completed this AI chatbot. So what we have to do is we have to switch on this toggle button and click on the save AI assistant, and yes, now our AI assistant is saved successfully. We have created this AI assistant, but how are we going to use it for a business? So for that you have to go towards this embedded. You're going to get this script. script. So you can copy this script and paste it on your website, and this AI chatbot will be added on your website. And then further, whenever a user will go on your website and click on this start chat, they will be redirected towards WhatsApp, and this initial message will be sent from them towards you. And further, the AI assistant is going to reply them and solve all their user queries. Further, what you can do is you can go towards this inbox section. So I'm going to open it in a new tab, and what you can do is you can assign this AI assistant to particular contacts too. So let's open the inbox section from here, and let's say I want to assign this AI assistant to a particular contact. So I can go towards this choose AI assistant and choose the AI assistant, which is WhatsApp AI chatbot, and click on this save. And now whenever I'm going to receive a message from this user, this AI chatbot is going to reply. The next what you can do is you can go towards this settings and then inbox settings, and you can assign this same AI assistant to multiple contacts in just a single click. You have to scroll down and go towards this enable AI auto replies. You have to select the list and also the AI assistant who is going to reply to all the contacts in this list. And further, what is going to happen is that whenever any contact from this list is going to message you, this AI assistant is going to reply and solve all their queries. You just have to click on this button, which is save, and the settings will be saved. You can also create list by going towards this contact section of Pabbly Chatflow. You can go towards this add contact and add bulk contacts. You can choose the file and upload the contact list. It totally depends upon you. A video dedicated towards this contact section also is attached in the description box below. You can check it out if you wish. Now we have successfully created this AI assistant, so let's test it once again. So let's say I'm going to send hey on WhatsApp. So I'm going to type hey and I'm going to send this hey, and after sending this hey, when we are going to receive the reply, I'm going to ask some FAQs which I've added right over here, and we're going to check that the answer is exactly same or not. So let's say I'm going to ask this, can I change my delivery address after placing the order? So let's open our WhatsApp and I'm going to ask this question, can I change my delivery address after placing the order? And you're going to see the answer to this question is yes, if the order hasn't been shipped yet. So let's open our WhatsApp and it is replying me same, yes, if the order hasn't been shipped yet. So let's ask another question, how do I use my promo code? So let's type and send this question, and once I'm going to send this question, it is going to reply same, apply it at the checkout in the coupon code field before the payment. So you're going to see over here the steps to do the same. So yes, this is no magic, this is the power of AI assistant which we have created right now, and you can also create this for your own business just by following me step by step. So yes, go grab your laptops, watch this video and create this AI assistant for your own business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or this AI assistant, you can directly comment on this video and my team is going to solve all your doubts and questions too. So yes, now go try this AI assistant and see you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots tailored to your own specific business needs. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. So now I will suggest you go and try this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.